26th October 1 o'clock.
Yeah.
We are having
2019.
yes, and we are on to off-roading. So this is the vehicle. You can see.
S11 4-wheel drive.
Yes. Okay, so we have stream flowing. It's a good jungle area.
We're having some fun with Scorpio 4-wheel drive.
Okay, let us start then. Oh, awesome stuff. Okay, so the driver is going to give me a signal if he's going to use the four-wheel drive. So let's see when he uses this. The stream flowing. There you go. We have the stream again. Achoo.
So sorry, we don't need to apply 4x4. Tell the viewers
Okay,
the vehicle is capable in itself. No need to apply 4x4.
so you need more rough terrain than this. Crossing the road.
No need to use 4x4. Making its way. You can stop the video.
Okay, that's all folks. So you saw it's a 4x4 Scorpio. So this terrain is not good enough. It needs more rough terrain than what we were expecting.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
Thank you. It was a very bumpy ride, but I did not feel any bumps because of the amazing suspension of the vehicle. You don't need the 4x4 for this terrain. And trust me, any other vehicle would have got stuck. You could
So
see the
this is
terrain.
an honest review from Neil, and he's been a Nissan Terrano driver
Yeah.
for the last 3.5 years.
Absolutely.
So I wanted to use my 4-wheel drive, but I need more
You
of
don't
rough
need.
terrains.
I think we need more
So
challenge.
we might have
Till
to
next
go
time.
somewhere else. Yeah. Thank you.
Absolutely.
Thank you guys.
Bye-bye.